baseball fans? Tank, baseballs are actually in the tank. It doesn't say who signed their autographed baseballs. Here it does some paint. Again, another Raider. 1900 cc's. Fuel power. Pleasure. The bike is unbelievably balanced. Rides unbelievable. I can't believe it. There's too much here. I can't. Look at the Raider. This is the new Raiders. This is the new paint scheme. 2010. This is my next bike. Actually, this is not the next bike, but this is my bike that I'm going to get in addition to the new jump about this couple.
Love that.
Tail on this. Low rider. Slightly raked.
You like this stuff? $14.90.
Alright, we got some accessories. Star textile jacket. Armor in the sleeves and the elbows. Lots of pockets. Oh, I gotta tell you something, guys. You know what? There's a mesh. This looks just like my Tourmaster jacket that I paid probably a fraction for. They put the Star logo on it. They charge you 3 times the amount. Although the long sleeve t-shirt that I'm doing is pretty nice. Custom parts. Again, you're better off buying from Kuryakin or one of those Cobra. Because this seat here, for instance, which you can buy from probably Occidental, that has the logo on it, it's easily twice the money. Alright, Steve, this one's for you. Here's the M109. No, this is not the M109. This is the M90. This is not the one we want, but it sure looks like it's a mini or a smaller M109. Here is Steve, sorry. Here's the M109R. Yep. Silver. Gorgeous. It is a beautiful bike, man. Not at all. That's part of the whole show. Silver, it looks like. And I'm not sure what other color they're coming in, but this is the R. I have to check and see what other models they have. I'm just going to go over your shoulder, guys.
Try not to shake too much.
Thank you. That's what I want to get. Alright, Spawn Trooper, aka the Rogue. 1200 GS BMW. Look familiar? Man, this bike sits up so high. It's unbelievable. It's amazing. Offset engine. Too bad it's not a real bike. LOL. Anyway, let's keep going. Here's the 800 GS.
rusty.
By the way, did I mention I write a star? I'm a little partial. Alright, so this is for McKaylee. Mikey. There's the Softail Classic. We're at the Harley Davidson booth. There's the Softail Classic. You know, I'm sorry. You know that Mikey likes the Road King. Road King came out this year in a new color. They copied my color, damn it. Freaking guys. Everybody wants to be Blue Gem. They've actually dropped the prices on these bikes considerably. Road King full dress like this, bags and everything. Tag $17,999. I remember in '95 I looked at a Softail Classic. I ended up buying a Softail Custom. King Queen seat. Roughly about the same price, a little bit cheaper. Alright guys, here's a Silver Wing. This is about the closest we're going to get for Smyrna. Sure. They didn't have, a Bergman over at Suzuki. I was quite surprised.